What is going on, Shack Pack? Thanks for tuning in today's episode of Outdoor Shack. Today we are going to be hiking through Montana backwoods. And we're going to be going to an awesome waterfall. We're going to do some exploring. It's going to be awesome. Let's go. Okay guys, the sound of the river here is crazy. It's really cool back here, guys. Really cool. Whoa. Whoa. Look at this. That is crazy, guys. Holy moly. This is insane. This is like the coolest place I've ever been in my whole life, guys. This is insane. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. Okay, guys. So what I've heard is that people use this rock right there as a water slide. Yeah, a water slide. I don't know who those people are, but I want to have a sit down with them. Cause that's like suicidal, guys. That is not smart. Not smart at all, guys. Wow, guys. Look at the size of this rock. It's a big rock, guys. Here we are. Got some staircase down to the big fall down there, the one people use for water slide. I wonder who those people are. They're probably fun people to hang out with. Wow, guys, this is so cool. I feel like Spider-Man right now. That's crazy, guys. That's just crazy. There's my mom and dad way over there. Wonder what it'd be like swimming in that. Probably be interesting. Very interesting. Wow. Okay, guys. I mean, this is just the coolest place in the world, guys. I can't imagine what something cooler. Oh, there's little periwinkles. You want to see some more periwinkles, go out and check my micro fishing for trout and salmon. That was a fun video. Go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. But look at this, guys. This is just crazy. This is absolutely crazy, guys. Absolutely crazy. Okay, guys. Setting my feet into the water. Oh yeah. Wow, guys. Looky at that. That's amazing, guys. That's incredible. Whoa. I'm starting to slip on these rocks. They're like flat as glass. Okay, guys, I'm literally standing on the mud stuff that is super slippery. Just about died 10 million times. Oh. Whoa. That was bad. What is this? I'd like to know. Piece of brush. That's just fabulous. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. I need to get on some dry land, guys. This is crazy. This is crazy. Okay, guys, we are back where we need to be. Yep, we're back. Oh, there we are. And, whoa, there we are. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. What? Yep. am gonna make my way towards the big waterfall because I am a risky fella. And I like doing risky things. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. Okay guys, so thanks for watching today's video of Outdoor Shack. Really appreciate it. And if you guys want to go down and become part of the Shack Pack, go down and subscribe and like the video. Become an official member of the Shack Pack. It's gonna be pretty awesome. We got some awesome videos lined up for you guys today. This is just like the first little smidgy little bit. We are going to Idaho in a couple of days, actually 2 days, and we are gonna maybe do a little fishing, maybe catch you guys a little fish. I don't know yet. And then we're also gonna do some awesome camping in our camper van. Let's go. It's gonna be amazing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.